Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to cash out your USDT from Gate.io directly to your bank account. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a verified Gate.io account. In 2025, security is tighter than ever, so you'll need to complete KYC, Know Your Customer, verification. This usually involves uploading your ID and proof of address. Once that's done, log into your Gate.io dashboard. Next, head over to the Wallet or Assets section. Here, you'll see your balances, including your USDT. Select USDT and look for the Withdraw option. Before you proceed, double-check the withdrawal fees and minimum limits, as these can vary based on your location and the current market conditions. Now, for the key step, choose the withdrawal method. Gate.io often partners with fiat gateways or banks, so select the option that links to your bank account. Enter your bank details carefully, things like account number, routing number, and the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, always double-check to avoid any errors. After that, you'll need to confirm the transaction. This might involve a two-factor authentication code sent to your phone or email. Once confirmed, your withdrawal request will be processed. In 2025, processing times can be as fast as a few minutes or up to a couple of days, depending on your bank and network congestion. One important tip: keep an eye on any potential taxes or regulations in your country, as crypto withdrawals are often taxable. Also, never share your private keys or sensitive info with anyone. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from Gate.io to your bank account in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.